The 2015 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, front, power steering, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, bucket seats, trip computer, CD player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.